The Palm Springs real estate market has fundamentally shifted in June 2025. And if you're thinking about buying or selling here in the Coachella Valley, what I'm about to share with you could save or make you thousands of dollars. Hi, I'm Neal, your Living in Palm Springs Realtor, and today I'm breaking down the latest data that every buyer, seller, and investor needs to know. Let's jump right into the numbers because they tell a fascinating story. First, let's talk about what everybody's noticing, and that's inventory. We now have 3,651 homes available across the Coachella Valley as of June 1st. That's over 1,000 more homes than last year at this time. To put this in perspective, Palm Springs alone has 835 homes for sale compared to 648 last year. But here's what's really important. Our months of sales ratio has hit 6.0 months. Now, if you're not familiar with this metric, it's basically how long it would take to sell all the current inventory at the current pace of sales. A balanced market sits between 4 and 5 months. So at 6 months, we're officially in what we call a buyer's market. Let me break this down city by city because each area has its own personality. Palm Springs leads with the highest month of sales ratio at 5.8 months, while Indian Wells has the lowest at 3.8 months. That luxury market is still moving relatively quickly. When we look at individual cities, La Quinta is at 4.2 months, Coachella at 4.4 months, and Palm Desert at 4.7 months, all in that sweet spot of market balance. Desert Hot Springs, Cathedral City, and Rancho Mirage and Indio are all hovering around 5 months. Now let's talk prices because this is where it gets really interesting. The median price for detached homes across the entire Coachella Valley is at $700,000, actually down 1.2% from last year. But here's the kicker. Homes are selling at an average discount of 2.6% below listing price. In Palm Springs specifically, we're seeing homes sell at 4% discount from list price on average. That means if you're looking at a $600,000 listing price, you might pay closer to $576,000 with smart negotiation. Now that's real money in your pocket. As of today, the median price of a single-size family home in Palm Springs is $1,262,065. The average price of a Palm Springs condo is $454,163. The luxury market tells a different story. Indian Wells saw detached home prices jump 20.1% year over year to over $2.2 million for the average size home. Meanwhile, more affordable markets like Coachella saw prices drop 4.2%. Here's another key metric: days on the market. The median time to sell across the entire Coachella Valley is now 49 days. That's up from 44 days last year. Coachella is moving fastest at 33 days, while Indio takes the longest at 54 days. This tells us that well-priced homes are still moving, but overpriced properties are sitting longer. The market is becoming more discerning. Sales volume tells another part of the story. We're seeing about 738 units sold per month on a 3-month average, compared to 779 last year. That's down, but not drastically. However, sales are running about 20% below historical norms when we adjust for seasonality. Dollar sales last month hit $694 million, just $8 million less than 1 year ago. Palm Springs led in dollar volume at $132 million, followed by Palm Desert at $124 million. This shows that while fewer homes are selling, the prices are holding relatively well. So what does this mean for buyers? This is honestly the best buyer's market we've seen since before the pandemic, and here's why. First, you have real negotiating power. With homes sitting longer and selling below asking price, you can negotiate not just on price, but also on repairs, closing costs, and sometimes contingencies. Second, no more bidding wars. Remember those crazy days of 10+ offers over asking? Those are largely gone. You can take your time to do proper inspections and make thoughtful decisions. Third, more inventory means more choice. You're not just settling for good enough, you can find exactly what you want. For sellers, this doesn't mean panic. It means strategy. The homes that are selling quickly are doing these things right, pricing competitively from day one. The days of testing the market high are long over. Your realtor's pricing strategy is more critical now than ever. And presentation matters more. Staging, professional photos, and minor updates can make a big difference between a quick sale and sitting on the market for months. Also, flexibility on terms. Buyers have choices now, so offering to help with closing costs or being flexible on timing can make your home stand out. Looking ahead, I expect this buyer's market to continue through the summer and likely into fall. Inventory typically peaks in summer anyway, and with sales still below normal, that 6-month supply could even increase. The Federal Reserve is holding interest rates steady as they wait to see the impact of recent economic policies. Until we see meaningful rate relief, buyer demand will likely stay moderate. But here's the thing, real estate is local and it's personal. These broad market trends might not apply to your specific situation or your exact neighborhood. Let me put our local market in context with what's happening statewide. According to the latest California Association of Realtors data, we're seeing 556 closed sales per day statewide, with 768 new listings coming on daily. That's creating the inventory buildup that we're experiencing locally here too. Statewide, about 24.6% of the realtors closed a sale in the previous week, and 33.8% listed a property. The survey shows that 23.4% expect sales to increase in the coming week, while 46.9% expect listings to increase. This aligns perfectly with what we're seeing here in the Coachella Valley. The broader economic picture is mixed. Consumer confidence is improving thanks to recent trade agreements, but CEO confidence has dropped slightly due to geopolitical concerns. The Fed's preferred inflation measures continue to ease, which is positive for eventual interest rate relief. Mortgage delinquency rates also remain steady at 2.8%, and construction spending has declined for 3 straight months. This suggests the market is stabilizing rather than crashing. So, where are the opportunities? For buyers, I'm seeing great value in Palm Desert and PalmSprings for that balanced inventory and good negotiating power. Desert Hot Springs for affordable entry points. And if you're looking at luxury, Indian Wells properties are still appreciating, though they're taking a lot longer to sell. For sellers, if you're thinking about making a move, summer might be your best window before inventory potentially increases further in the fall. Here's what my years of experience in this market has taught me. Data tells us trends, but every property and every situation is unique. I've helped clients navigate markets just like this, and the key is having a strategy that's tailored to your specific goals. Whether you're a first-time buyer thinking this might be your chance, a seller wondering about timing, or an investor looking for opportunities, the strategy needs to be different for each one of you. That's why I'm offering you a free, no-obligation Zoom call to discuss your specific real estate goals. We'll review the latest market data for your target area, discuss pricing strategies, and I'll answer any questions that you have about buying or selling in today's market. I've been helping people navigate the Palm Springs market through multiple cycles for years, and I can help you make informed decisions about whether the market is up, down, or even sideways. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest expertise and market insight. Click the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation or just give me a call directly. I'm here to help you succeed in today's real estate market. The Palm Springs real estate market in June 2025 is offering opportunities we haven't seen in years. Yes, it's different from that crazy seller's market we experienced, but it doesn't mean bad. It means strategic. And remember, in real estate, knowledge truly is power. Now, watch this next video to learn more all about living here in Palm Springs.